Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add baggage or luggage in Skyscanner. Okay, so first up, let's just go ahead and book a flight just for you to see. Maybe in Malaysia right here, Kuala Lumpur, departure from Manila right here. Okay, let's go ahead and select the cheapest one right here, like so. Hit on continue. Maybe we book it from trip.com, like so. Economy class. Right here, make sure that it has a carry-on baggage, okay? Also, if you needed checked baggage, make sure that this icon right here is included as well, or is highlighted, okay? If you do need one. Click on more prices. And as you can see here, we have checked baggage and carry-on baggage. Just gonna click this one and hit on continue. Wait for it. And here, as you can see, carry-on and checked baggage are now included. Also, when you're done filling this up, you can go ahead and scroll down and you will have additional baggage allowance right here. Okay, you can go ahead and add more. If not, you can just go ahead and stick around with 7 kilograms right here for personal item and another one right here for 20 kilograms. Okay, this is both for departure and return. And then here from trip.com, you can also use a baggage protection, $5 per person. And once done, you can now go ahead and hit on next and continue with the payment process. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.